wasn't gonna do this. Got my daughter standing here. I was actually just gonna take the center aisle out here, and she's having a lot of fun. I was gonna take the center aisle out of here today, and I was like, oh, I'll just take the water off, or turn it off, and I figured I'd be done. But I figured some of you would find this kind of amusing. There was so much corrosion. There's so much corrosion that, well, my daughter just took it, you saw it. I don't know if you can see that, it snapped right off. Luckily, I didn't even turn the water off. So I am amazed that I wasn't hit directly in the face. And as you can tell, this is all prior to us putting in that the water softener downstairs. So I didn't even try this one, so I'm gonna go downstairs, turn off the water, and I may just, oh, there's my daughter's little hand, trying to put it back on. So this was just one more thing that I figured I would be done already, and I'm not. So not everybody would get a kick out of that. I know I did. As you can tell, the corrosion. So she's been singing and serenading.
What happened?
I don't know. It fell off. It actually snapped off. Goofy baby. Little goofball. Are you done? Well, you all have a great day. Enjoy.
Does it burp?
God bless you all, and have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later.